Welcome to another Simple Dad CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the trending Coke bottle transition for TikTok on CapCut. This video shows a Coke bottle being opened and then it falls to the floor, which then transitions to show about 9 images. Now you may be wondering how the person created this, so keep watching and I'll show you how. First, make sure you have CapCut installed. You can find this in the App Store or your Play Store. Next, in the description of this video, there is a link which will take you to the CapCut template for this video. Make sure to open it in your Android or iPhone web browser. Once the page loads up, tap on Use Template in CapCut. This will then take you into CapCut. Tap on Use Template at the bottom right. This will then open up your photo library. Now if you look at the bottom, CapCut needs 9 clips in form of video or a photo for this template. Select 9 media from a gallery. This can be photo or a video. Once you've selected 9 media from your gallery, then tap on Preview. This will start to create a video with the Coke bottle transition. Preview the video, and if any changes are required, tap on the image or the video to change it. Now, once you're done and happy, tap on Export at the top right. CapCut will ask you if you want to save it to your device or if you want to share it to TikTok. Share it to TikTok from here, as this will remove the CapCut logo. This will then start to export, and then the video will be shared to TikTok. And that is how to create the trending Coke bottle transition for TikTok on CapCut. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.